Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find stocks on Robinhood. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So the first thing would be is just to open your Robinhood app or web application. So basically either you are using your mobile app or web app, you will need just to go to investing. So basically here we are on investing, and either on your web app or mobile app, you will find your lists. So basically here I have three lists. This one is a list that I have created, and those are some predefined lists. So here in this list, I can just go to delete this list, rearrange, or edit it. And basically you can click on the list and you can start modifying it by modifying the emoji or whatever you like. And also you can modify the list name. And from here, you will be able to start finding certain stocks and add them here. So now I'm just going to click on edit list and I'm just going to click on save. And basically, I'm just going to click on it. And here you will need just to add companies. And all we need to do is just to click uh, here, and you can start creating new lists so you can have some specific options. So you can just create a new one, so like this, or cancel, or I'm just going to add a watch list, or you can also add a screener. And from here you will just choose a daily price jumps or any custom screener, and you will need just let's just go back, and basically you will choose any one of them, and basically after that it will redirect you to the page where you will find all the stocks of the markets. And basically from there you will be able to find all the stocks, and as you can see you will be able to choose and add any stock to your list or to your screen. And by that you will be able to find all the stocks in Robinhood. So thank you for watching and see you next time.